me, Angela. I figured since I have nothing to do and everybody's just talking about the virus, I want to just distract myself with just painting because that's what makes me happy. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, let's cover this up. That way, you know, I'm going to make a little flower and hope you guys like it. I don't know if I should do a few or just one big one. I think I'll do one big one. See how it turns out. Yeah, like a bloom technique, but this one's gonna be a little different. So I'll put some blue, a little blue circle there, and a green circle. Oops, it's not open. It would be nice if you open it, Angela. I really like this green. It's like a beautiful turquoise green. And some yellow. A little yellow in there too. Why not? Yeah. And let's get some white. Let's do white. Can get it going here. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. And then shake it, shake it, shake it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So what I am going to do is, I was going to make a puddle on the outside like this, but I don't know, I don't really need to. Let me just leave it like that. Just make a flower going around it. That's what I'll do. I'm going to use the air compressor. It's my air compressor. Look at it. It's all full of paint everywhere. So I'm not going to put it too high. Just a little bit low, not too high, so you could press, you know, you could push everything out. Let's see, outward. Yeah. Colors are beautiful together, right? The yellow, the turquoise green, and the Prussian blue. Very pretty together, these colors. I like them together. I guess it's the best color you could use for a flower. Yeah, I would say so. All of a sudden it was 70 degrees yesterday. Today went down to, I think it's only 46. So it's a little chilly outside today. And I went to look at my tulips and I don't know, the squirrels don't like them. They tore some of them off the ground. I couldn't believe it. So now I was telling my husband we're gonna have to go buy more because now they're all gone. They left only 4. I'm like, thanks a lot, you little creepers. But yeah, there go my flower. That's my air compressor flower. Yeah. Someone was asking me how I did the last one that I did. Let me see, where do I have that picture? I don't even know where I have it. But I did a really pretty flower, and let me see if I can see where it is. A very pretty flower. Where did I put that flower? It's so pretty. Oh, here we go. This one. And everyone loved it. Yeah. Everyone loved this flower. So, that's where I was heading with this one. It didn't bloom out as much. But I guess I could put more yellow in the middle, make it bloom out a little bit more. You can add a little layer it up a little bit more. Maybe that'll make it stretch out more outward. So let's see, guys. Here come my husband. He's gonna say, let's go to the art store. And I don't want to be out there. Another bloom technique, but with your air compressor, that's all. To stretch it out a little bit more, just hit the tips a little bit there, and it's going out more as I hit it more towards the outline of that yellow, the more it's stretching out and becoming like a big bloom flower. Beautiful bloom. Let's see. There you go, guys. A beautiful flower for you all. Enjoy your day. Stay at peace. And that's all I can say. Put a little dot in there. That's a cute dot. Let's see. Let's hit it up a little bit. Look at that. No, I like the yellow better in the middle. The yellow makes it look more saucy, makes it look more prettier. Yeah, let's leave the yellow. And go around in circles so it could dry like a nice flower. Yeah, that's it. Now you leave it alone and that's it. I'm just gonna give it a little torch. Let it dry overnight, and that's it. That's how Angela makes the flower. I'm running out of butane, so I have to go get some of that. Yeah. So, and if you don't want to hit it anymore with your air compressor, you can hit it with a straw. Yeah, to kind of cover up areas that you feel need coverage, like a little coverage. Yeah, because this area I see a little white. It could be the canvas. Yeah, so actually it's paint. It's the white paint. So I'm gonna leave it alone. It looks fine. It's great. I hope you guys enjoy my mini art flower. I'll give you a close-up, guys. Yeah. All pretty. Oh, these paints have cells, silicone in it, so you're gonna see some cells coming up. Yeah, so there we go. Look how pretty this flower is, Mikey. I made a flower. Do you like it?
Beautiful.
Look, I tried to do one of Peter Drenison's painting. Obviously I'm not as good as he is.